After the area is prepared, locate your center and start lines using the 3-4-5 method or a carpenter square. Dry lay the flooring tiles without adhesive, beginning from the center of the room and following the design layout. When installing tiles, Nora generally recommends that tiles are installed point to point or corner to corner. The tiles in sheet flooring have arrows on the backside, which should always be pointed in the same direction. For wall cuts, overlap a field tile with a full tile and trace cut with a nora knife. Then exchange the tiles. Do not pressure fit. After you've determined a workable section of the installation area, remove and stack tiles in reverse order. This method ensures correct placement of the tile without exceeding the open time of the adhesive. For adhesive application, please watch either the AC100 or ED120 adhesives video